Good morning to each and everyone. We are the students of St. Aloysius English Medium High School, Talikala. This is the working model of lifestyle for environment. We are going to introduce a model for the utilizing solar energy instead of electricity. This method also can be used to protect the environment from the hazardous problems.
This method is very useful to protect the environment, which is affecting today by the global warming that leads to the death of many living organisms. This is the model of utilizing the solar energy for the domestic use.
Nowadays, air pollution is increasing rapidly because of excess use of fossil fuels in the vehicles that are petroleum, diesel, etc. And the vehicles which are releasing the smoke that contain carbon monoxide that causes the global warming and also disrupt the ozone layer. By using the electric vehicles, the percentage of carbon monoxide also be reduced and also ozone layer cannot be disrupted and the global warming also decreases. By keeping the solar panels on the houses, the electricity is produced and also vehicles can be charged and also it can be run. We can have the pollution-free society. And also solar energy is used in the various sectors like agriculture sector, industrial sector, domestic and also for the transport such as electric vehicles.
This solar energy is also used in agriculture farm to draw the water from the ground. In rural areas, the electricity may not be available throughout the day, which is essential to run the motors to draw the water from ground. If water is not available, the crop gets dried and the farmers may get lost. By this problem, many farmers are committing suicide. To overcome this problem, we can use the solar panels to get the electricity. When these solar panels are exposed to sunlight, they produce electricity and the motors can be run to draw the water from the ground. And the problem will be solved. By using the solar energy, the electricity bill also can be reduced. This is the model of using the solar energy for the domestic use.
We have to arrange the solar panels on the top of the houses.
When these solar panels are exposed to sunlight, they get charged and the electricity can be produced. And it is used for domestic vehicles and domestic use and charging the electric vehicles.
By using this solar energy, we can have the pollution-free society and also the nation for us and also for the future generations. Thank you.